not getting clients, posting daily messages and cold email, but your inbox is empty. You are a freelancer and doing a WordPress website and doing a marketing, and you are an agency owner, but still you are not getting income. You have no consistent income or no consistent clients. Then this video is very helpful to you. If you are a freelancer or WordPress developer or digital marketer and just dreaming to own an agency, then this video is for you. You have to watch this video till the end so that you can get the very systematically method, which is very evergreen method. If you apply seriously 3 months, guaranteed you can get your first client, and after that you will have a consistent income and clients too. So if this video get you helpful, then make sure you can like, and if you are new in this channel, you can subscribe this channel. So let's start. First step, you have to choose niche. Like when you choose niche, you are specified over your service. You are very specific to your service, like what you have to do and what you have to convince to client, what you have to say to client. And client trust on you when you do a specific work. So for instance, you are working with a e-commerce client, e-commerce brand, and there in e-commerce there's also are various brands, various products. So if you are niche over the skincare, so you can work with the skincare. Clients will get trust on you if because you are a very specified on your niche. You only help the people who are in e-commerce brand and selling skincare product, because you will have a lots of knowledge, lots of experience, and you will have a strategy to sell the product, to market the product. That's why experts always choose niche. They have a specified niche because they are very sure that they can help businesses to scale their business, because they have enough knowledge about their specified niche. So that's why you have to choose one niche so that you can expertise your niche and get the more value to your client. It may be anything. First, you have to learn everything. You should have all fundamental skills, all fundamental knowledge. But when you are doing work, when you are just approaching client, then you have to be niche specified. Maybe your SEO for local businesses, maybe your e-commerce website, e-commerce for which businesses, like which brand, which product. Okay, and if you are a performance marketer, like you are running ads, then for which business? Maybe your fashion brands who sells clothes. Okay, this kind of specification you need. After that, you have to list your dream clients. When you list dream clients, you have a clear mindset that you have to reach these people and help them. Then for this, you have to make an Excel sheet where you have to give name, company, website link, outreach, date, and also platform like LinkedIn profile, and status is active or not, like yes and no. Like if they are responding, like it's active, not responding, then no. This kind of details you can give in the Excel sheets. It will help you to be update what you have done still now. So how you can get these details and how you can outreach people? There's a three very evergreen method. First is LinkedIn. 5% to 10% people seriously doing. You can also do. So you have to go to your LinkedIn profile. Here you have to search, like it's my niche, sales coach. Okay, when you will search sales coach, you will get a lots of listing. Okay, so you have to click on people because you have to make a connection. You have to connect to people. But before connecting, you have to filter them. How you will filter? Connection will be second and filter will be like a, just click on all filter and you have to choose the location. Like location is India, United States and United Kingdom. I have added. If you want to add new location, then click on add new, and here you can just add your location. I have added Dubai and show results. You will get results here. Now, how you can do the connection? You don't need to just connect randomly. No, it's wrong process. You have to watch or just measure their profile is active or not. Just open your new tab, this profile, and see within a month he has posted something or not. Because if he has posted something, then its account is active. Otherwise, no. So we will just go through, just go below, and the post we have to see if there is a post active or not. Just we will click on show all, click on post. So here is, it is not active. 1 year ago, it has posted something. So we'll just leave it. And Angus Pandey, just we'll open new tab and see. I think he has also not posted anything in within a 1 month. Let's see what's no. He has not done anything. Third profile, just go through. I think he has also not done anything. Just leave it. Open next profile. This one. Just watch it. He has posted something within a month. No, still not. Just show all and click on post. No, he has also not done anything. Next profile, you have to watch everything. Like his profile is active or not. While seeing their post within a month, I think it is not active. This one, yeah, it's active. 2 days ago, he has posted and he is active. But yeah, you can see there is a 92 followers. But see the method. Okay, it is like this profile is active, and 2 days ago he has posted. Okay, so you can send a connect request. Okay, and this connection request you have to update on your Excel sheet, which I have told you. Name, LinkedIn profile, date of connection, active status, yes or no, like that. You have to make the Excel sheet. This is a process of LinkedIn. Second process is Instagram, where you have to search the Instagram accounts niche based. Like I have searched here sales coach. So I have also searched sales coach on Instagram. I can't change anything. We have to focus the same niche. So I will go through search, and here I will write sales coach. So I will see a lots of profile here and we'll go through and we'll DM. Okay, this is the process we have to do. And when you DM, you have to update your Excel sheet, right? And the third process is local businesses, where you will just search Google Map, go to Google Map, and here you have to search business like barber or maybe a parlor, whatever it may be, or just restaurant or hotel. I will just see, I will just search like that, and we will see which profile is doing great and which profile is not. We will just measure it, and we will just cold call, because there is a call like phone number details. We can just call them and we'll discuss about their presence, what improvement we can do. Like, don't just pitch directly. Start just giving value. So you have to value, okay? And then after follow up, like after 10 days, you have to just update. Like it's a reminder kind of thing. I will tell you like how you have to follow up. So you will just click on this profile first, and you will get the phone number. Uh, they have not created any website, so you can also reach them or just outreach them for the website. Like you don't have a website, if you create a website, you will get more engagement, more booking call or something else. This kind of things you have to tell them. You can just get help from the GPT. You have to just get help from the AI. Okay. So they have not added any website. So you have to add that. You have to help them to just improve their profile. So this is the process. In step 3, so start giving value before the pitching. Don't pitch directly. First, you have to give value. In the value, what you have to do? You have to go through their profile, or you have to check their website, its speed, it may be their marketing, it may be their SEO, whatever the services you provide. Specify them, and just according to it, you can give them 5 to 6 or 5 to 10 auditing details. Like you have just checked everything, and if they will improve this kind of thing, they will get more engagement, they will get more traffic, their website will be more faster. This kind of thing you can DM them, or you can just mail them, email. You can do email. How you will just tell, hi Rahul, I have checked your website. In the mobile, when website is loading, it's very slow. It's getting 4 seconds to load all contents. Their CTA is not clear. If you would like, then I can create a quick audit video for you. So this kind of message you can send them. Step 4, the short audit video strategy. It is a game changer. 80% people are not doing this, and this is an evergreen method. Just what you have to do, you have to go to the website. On the screen recording, you have to explain this is the things you need to change this. If you change, you will get this benefit, this value, this quality. You have to explain. This video length will be 2 to 3 minutes, not longer, very short. 95% people send texts message, but 5% people are doing video, short video auditing, and you can send in the email or direct message. So step 5, follow up system. How you will follow up? Day 1, you have to message. Day 3, you have to do gentle reminder. Day 6, you have to follow up. Follow up by giving a message. Okay, by giving a auditing details. It may be video, it may be text, whatever, but video will work very best. Okay, and day 10, there will be last follow-up. Example, hi Rahul, just checking if you got the time to see the audit. Would love your response, your feedback. The message will be very polite and very professional and very gentle. Step 6, keep offer very simple, not complicated. Say something clear like that. I can improve your website speed by 50% within the 7 days. This is very genuine and very trustworthy. Step 7, daily routine for outreaching client. First, add 10 requests. You have to make an Excel sheet, I have told you. There you have to add 10 requests, 5 responses. If connection has been accepted and they have if they have accepted your request, then you have to message them. Then minimum 5 to 10 daily messages and 2 to 3 follow up. Follow up will be your auditing video. Okay, and last follow up with your very gentle reminder or gentle response. You have to do this thing, this follow up system next 3 months blindly. Then you can get your first client for sure. Just remember, it's not a hunting a client, it's a solving solution of the client. You are just helping them to scale their business, to grow their business. If you want a complete, a very specific, niche specified, or very effective outreaching message template, comment below outreach. I will attach their complete message template link. You can get there. If you got this video helpful and very informative, like this video and share to your friends, and make sure you have subscribed this channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, thank you so much. Bye-bye.